By the end of this video, you should know how to make your own videos using Schoology to submit to assignments. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the page for whatever assignment it is you need to make a video for. Then you're going to click on the Submit Assignment button. And when that loads, you will look for the little microphone. So you're going to stay on the Upload tab here, and then just look for this little microphone icon. When you hover over it, it'll say audio/video recording. Go ahead and click on it. If you only needed sound, you could click audio only, but we need audio and video. So let's click on that. The first time you do this on your Chromebook, it's going to ask you to allow Schoology access to your microphone and camera. Go ahead and click allow, otherwise it can't make a video. And then it should bring you to a screen like this where you can see yourself, okay? And you'll just get yourself ready, click the Start Recording button, and it will put a little timer up in the corner over there and let you know that you're recording, and make your video. When you're done, you click stop. You have to do it in one take. You can't edit in between, so make sure you are ready to go. You have what you want to say written down or rehearsed. Okay, and then you click stop recording. It will let you watch your video to make sure you're happy with it. You could always delete it. Just, click the X button up here and that's that. Or if you want to submit it, click Insert Recording. That'll put it in with your submission here, and then you can just click Submit. So that's it. How to make videos on Schoology.